Unit 2 exam review, question number 15. In our readings, we studied Craig's decision to buy a car. Craig knows the following two Excel commands that he used during the quantitative reasoning process: the payment formula and the future value formula. In step 3 of the quantitative reasoning process, quantitative tools, Craig used the following command in Excel: equals PMT of 0.04 divided by 12, 7 times 12, negative 5,000, 0. The Excel output for this command was $68.34. Which of the following best describes what this output represents? We'll go through each of these and see which one best represents it. So the first one, if Craig saves $68.34 per month in an account paying 4% interest, he will be able to buy a $5,000 car in 7 years. If this were the case, the saving and adding up to the end of 5,000, this would be a future value formula. We did a payment formula. If you're unsure of this, you can use Excel and just plug it in just to see equals negative future value of, it says, an account paying 4%, 0.04 divided by 12, comma, number of periods is 12 times 7 years, comma, they said payment is 68.34, comma, present value, because it says nothing in here of having a present value, but he's just saving this per month, so that we end up with $5,000. In fact, let's just see if it gets us to 5,000. So the present value is 0, or we can just leave it. You'll see that it's not $5,000, it's $6,612. So this is telling us future value when we plugged in a payment. So down here, let's see if there's any more. The monthly payment on a car loan of $5,000 with an interest of 0.33% for 7 years will be 68.34 times 12, or $820.08 per month. So this one, the monthly payment of a car loan of $5,000, so far that matches. Interest rate of 0.33, I'm not sure where they're coming up with that, and where they're timesing this by 12. That doesn't make sense either, because it gave us the payment equals 68, so there's no need to times it by 12 per month anyway. Here's the next one. If we were to times it by 12, that would tell me how much we're paying for a whole year, but that's not what this one is saying. Okay, the next one. If Craig saves $405.85 per year, I'm not sure where they're getting the $405 from, in an account paying 0.04%, you'll notice that's wrong too, because here this is a decimal. To change it to a percent, we move it over. It should say 4%. Interest, he will be able to buy a car of $5,000 in 84 years. Again, the 12 is per month, the 7 is the years, and this is another future value, not a payment. So there was a lot wrong on that one. The next one, the monthly payment for a car loan of $5,000 with an interest rate of 0.04% for 84 months will be 68.34. So really close on this one, but you'll notice this. So we'll go right to the beginning. $5,000, so far that looks good, with an interest rate of 0.04%. So that is the decimal 0.04. To change it to the percent, just like the previous example, or the previous one was, move it over is 4%, so that's wrong. But the 84 months, that matches. 7 times 12 will be 84 months, and it does give you the payment of 68.34, so that was really close. Small catchy thing right there. The next one, the monthly payment of a car loan of $5,000, so far that's the same, with an interest rate of 4% for 7 years, will be 68.34. There we go. So that one has everything that we need on that one.